I'm so sorry about the delay and updating you on what's going on with the M163 Vulcan, but I screwed up and broke my antenna mount. Excuse me, I got the hiccups. But tried to put my guitar string into it and drilling out. And then I broke it off the base, which I've already glued on, the mount, which I already glued onto the base. This could be called the Hiccup video. Sorry. So I've super glued that little guy to hopefully get it seated in there well. But meanwhile, I've got some stuff ready to go to paint here. Look at that gun. It's finished. That's 30 parts right there. 30 parts. And there's the hood and the part of the turret, and that's ready to go to paint. And that's where I'm at. So you're updated. Bye.